Managing reservations, tables, walk-ins and guest flow can quickly become challenging during busy service hours. ReservHub brings everything together in one clear dashboard, helping restaurant teams stay in control from the moment a booking is made to the moment guests are seated. With the live floor plan, your team can instantly see which tables are available, occupied, reserved, or coming up next. No more guessing during service. Upcoming reservations are displayed alongside the table plan, so staff can view guest details, booking times, party size and assigned tables from one place. When a returning guest books again, ReservHub can help identify the customer and complete their details faster, making the booking process smoother for your team. Tables can be assigned or changed quickly, giving your staff the flexibility they need when plans change or guests arrive earlier than expected. Smart table assignment helps your team choose the right table faster, reduce pressure during busy periods, and keep service moving smoothly. Walk-ins and waitlists can also be managed from the same dashboard. Guests can be added quickly, even when full details are not available. With flexible settings, you can control your opening hours, booking rules, party sizes, cancellation rules and online availability based on how your restaurant operates. ReservHub also supports booking revenue tools such as deposits, gift vouchers, promotions and no-show control, helping restaurants protect revenue before guests arrive. ReservHub is an AI-powered reservation and table management platform built for modern restaurants. Manage bookings, tables and guest flow with more control, clarity and confidence. ReservHub, AI-powered reservation and table management. Visit reservhub.com.